Okay, I'm here with another Home Depot seeds review. This time it's for the 18 volt compact router from Ryobi. Here's the contents. The version I got does not come with a battery and comes with your router, base already attached, pops off really easy. Use that and then we can do our micro adjustments or clip here. Whole thing can move up and down easily or take it off, make it easier to put a bit in. I'm going to do a little test with a roundover bit on just the board. Okay, so we'll install that. Comes with the wrench for install. Push this button to lock that in place so you can use the wrench to install. Has a dial of different speeds. It says in the manual that's 20,000 RPMs. If we go all the way up to the max, which is 6, that's 30,000. I'm doing just a little piece of oak, but not very deep. So I found that 3 right in the middle, so around 25,000 I would guess is good. Removing the base, super easy. Makes it easier to then install the bit. And then once I get that tightened down, I can just pop this right back on and adjust my height as needed. So I'll just kind of demo. We'll say that's installed correctly, and then I can adjust that height with the micro adjustments, and you can see how slowly and easily that moves up and down to get it exactly at the height you want. And I'll go ahead and get this tightened down and run a demo. Okay, I've got the battery installed and the bit at the height I want, everything adjusted. So we'll go ahead and get this set up and run it. And you can see, let me get out of the shadow, nice, clean. Now part of that's the bit, but the speed was just right. Good height, perfect round over, tiny bit of edge on the end over here, no edge across here, but a perfect curve over. Works really well. I would highly recommend it. Super easy to use, great for at-home DIY. You know, maybe not using it hours and hours every day, but definitely a DIY small project. It's a great little handheld router. Very happy with it.